A tiny 3 billion parameter model just dropped that you can run completely locally on consumer hardware, and it is actively crushing frontier models like Claude Opus and GLM-5 that are up to hundreds of times its size. According to the official technical report from WeiboAI, VibeThinker 3B didn't just edge out its competitors on a few cherry-picked samples. It went completely rogue on the world's hardest evaluation sets. On the brutal AIM-26 Math Olympiad, it delivers a raw baseline score of 94.3. But when you activate its test time scaling strategy, the score rockets to an unbelievable 97.1. That means a model you can run right now on a standard laptop directly outperforms Qwen 3.6 Plus at 95.3, beats out GLM-5 at 95.8, and completely leaves the flagship Claude Opus 4.5 down at 95.1 in the dust. Now, if you are skeptical and think this is just standard benchmark gaming, look at how it handles unpredictable, raw coding execution. On Live Codebench version 6, it locks in a dominant 80.2 pass at 1. And to prove true out-of-distribution generalization, the researchers threw it directly into fresh, live LeetCode weekly and bi-weekly contests. It was forced to solve brand new algorithmic problems on its very first attempt, passing 123 out of 128 Python submissions. That is a 96.1% absolute acceptance rate. It didn't just beat mid-tier models, it left elite frontier generalists like Claude Opus 4.6 and GLM-5 completely left behind on real-world executable programming. How can a model with only 3 billion parameters possess a deeper logical execution capacity than an enterprise-grade monster? The scientific breakthrough behind this massive leap is a concept called the parametric compression coverage hypothesis. The engineering team realized that AI capabilities are fundamentally split into two categories. Open domain encyclopedic knowledge is parameter expansive, meaning a model needs hundreds of billions of parameters just to memorize static facts from the internet. But verifiable logical reasoning is parameter dense. Because software engineering and math are problems of search, constraint satisfaction, and error correction within a structured space, elite execution depth can be highly compressed into a compact, reusable reasoning core. Small models don't lack logic, they just lack storage space for trivia, which is entirely irrelevant for a dedicated coding agent. They built this model using a highly optimized post-training pipeline, initialized from a Qwen 2.5 Coder 3B foundation. First, they implemented a two-stage curriculum-supervised fine-tuning strategy that transitions the model from broad capability coverage straight into hard, long-horizon reasoning tracks. Next, instead of progressively expanding the context window during reinforcement learning, which they discovered actually degrades high-quality, long-thinking behaviors in advanced models, they conducted reinforcement learning via Maxent guided policy optimization, directly within a native 64,000 long context window to preserve complete reasoning trajectories. They also introduced a unique optimization phase called long-to-short math RL, which actively rewards the model for finding the shortest, most elegant, correct path. This keeps accuracy pristine, but forces the model to stop overthinking, which drastically cuts down token bloat and reduces latency. Finally, they pair this with their CLR test time scaling, which isolates and evaluates 5 critical logical anchors per trajectory to catch and filter out flawed reasoning paths before they ever run. The complete model weights are entirely open source on Hugging Face right now, under WeiboAI, giving you full local ownership over a first-tier reasoning core.